Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and it's time for a new Galaxy Note. Or in this case, two Galaxy Notes. This is the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, both possibly blurring the lines between the Galaxy S series and the Note series further by offering two different sized models with slightly different specs. As you probably already guessed, the Note 10 Plus is the bigger one, sporting a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display, while the smaller Note 10 has a Full HD Plus display. Both AMOLED and both pretty much feature the same design with the attractive glass backs in various colours, including the unicorn-inspired multicoloured glass model that seems to produce its own light show. Of course, what sets the Note apart from the S series is the S Pen, Samsung's iconic stylus, which this year has 6-axis motion sensing for an additional array of air gestures, and Bluetooth LE. This allows you to control the phone from a distance using different gestures for taking selfies and such with the camera. Of course, you can write with it and take screenshots or mark up and sign documents as well. Now, both phones feature the same regular ultra-wide and telephoto zoom cameras on the back, but where the Note 10 Plus differs here is with the addition of a fourth time-of-flight camera. Of course, they run the latest version of One UI based on Android Pie, they both charge quickly wirelessly or with a wire, but the Note 10 Plus has a considerably larger 4300 mAh battery compared to the 3500 mAh Note 10 cell. Now you'll find differences in RAM and storage amounts too, with the smaller one featuring 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and the Plus model with 12GB of RAM and either 256 or 512GB of storage. Both phones will be available to pre-order pretty much now, and available to buy at the end of August. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter. I'll see you again soon.